Assalamualaikum and greetings to Madam Amy. In this presentation, our group will present about Kuala Lumpur International Airport Aeropolis development. I'm Farisha and I will start with the introduction. The Klia Aeropolis development is a strategic national project designed to transform Kuala Lumpur International Airport into a fully integrated airport city that supports global trade and economic growth. In response to the rapid globalization and increasing international trade, modern airports now function as economic hubs that integrate aviation services, air cargo, logistics, aerospace industries, and commercial activities. Klia Aeropolis aims to enhance air cargo capacity, improve custom efficiency, strengthen multimodal connectivity, and support high-value and time-sensitive industries such as electronics, pharmaceuticals, e-commerce, and aerospace manufacturing, positioning Malaysia as a leading aviation logistics and trade hub in the ASEAN region.
Now, I will explain the historical background and motivation for the project establishment. The Klia Aeropolis was developed to support Malaysia's long-term goal of becoming a regional logistic and aviation hub. Since the opening of Kuala Lumpur International Airport or KLIA in 1998, Malaysia has experienced steady growth in air cargo volumes and international connectivity. This growth highlighted the need for a more integrated, airport-centric development to support increasing trade activities. The Aeropolis concept follows global trends, where major international airports evolve beyond transportation facilities into integrated economic clusters. These clusters combine logistics, manufacturing, commercial activities, and digital services in one location. In addition, the rapid growth of global supply chains, e-commerce, and express cargo services increase demand for efficient air freight infrastructure. As a result, KLIA Aeropolis was planned to reduce logistic costs, improve cargo handling efficiency, and enhance connectivity between air transport, road networks, and industrial zones.
This slide shows the development status of KLIA as an Asian air cargo and supply chain hub. The strategic transformation goal is to strengthen logistic, cargo handling, and supply chain ecosystem through national policy reform, positioning KLIA as a key regional transport infrastructure. In terms of infrastructure capacity and regional connectivity, KLIA has large land availability and strong airport capacity, allowing it to handle higher cargo volumes efficiently. KLIA is well connected within ASEAN, supported by passenger connectivity and established transit routes that enhance cargo movement. For international and cross-border cargo partnership, KLIA enhanced connectivity with major Asian and global airports, including trade links with China, to support Southeast Asia-China trade flows. The Selangor Aeropark play an important role as a cargo ecosystem enabler by providing an aerospace, logistic, and industrial zone within KLIA. This development support high-value manufacturing, improve supply chain efficiency, and strengthen KLIA's overall cargo system. Overall, this initiative reinforced KLIA's position as a competitive regional air cargo hub in Asia. The progress update of KLIA is the operationalization of the Kaino Aeropolis EWTP hub marks a major milestone. This electronic world trade platform is designed to support cargo terminals, regional distribution center, and smart fulfillment hub. Once fully operated, it will enable next-day delivery within Malaysia and achieve 3-day global delivery, significantly strengthening our position in cross-border e-commerce and trade facilitation. Next, KLIA progressing with large-scale logistic and cargo infrastructure expansion within the KLIA Aeropolis. These include 60 acres of dedicated land with integrated facility for air cargo monitoring, warehousing, and distribution. This development is structured to support both third-party and third-party logistic providers, allowing greater efficiency, scalability, and connectivity across the supply chain ecosystem. Finally, the development of Selangor Aeropark continues to advance. This 600-acre industrial and aerospace zone will host CE Aerospace maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility, targeted for completion by late 2025 or early 2026. The park will support aerospace supply chain, high-value manufacturing, and cargo logistics. Together, this initiative reinforces our long-term vision of creating a globally competitive Aeropolis and logistics hub. I will pass to the next presenter.
For the economic growth, Klia Aeropolis drive high-value economic activities around Kuala Lumpur International Airport. It attracts foreign direct investment, especially in aviation, logistics, MRO, and e-commerce sectors. At the same time, it creates skilled job opportunities, supporting workforce development and income growth. Secondly, trade and supply chain benefits. The development improves overall supply chain efficiency by integrating logistic facilities near the airport. This reduces logistic jam and delays, making cargo movement faster and more reliable. As a result, export-oriented industries are better supported and can compete more effectively in global markets. Thirdly, regional integration. Klia Aeropolis positions Malaysia as an important logistic gateway within ASEAN. It enhances cross-border trade, connectivity, and strengthens links with neighboring countries. This also attracts multinational logistic and aviation firms to use Malaysia as their regional base. Lastly, global competitiveness. The project strengthens Malaysia's role in global value chains by enhancing air cargo capacity and intermodal connectivity. Klia Aeropolis support long-term national economic growth and global trade participation. As we can see, Klia Aeropolis plays a strategic role in boosting Malaysia's economy while strengthening regional and global integration.
Now, I will continue to talk about the impact of Klia Aeropolis in trade facilitation and custom efficiency. Klia Aeropolis enhanced trade facilitation by integrating cargo terminals, logistics service providers, freight forwarders, and custom authorities within a single location. This centralized setup helps reduce cargo dwell time, minimize delays, and eliminate logistic bottlenecks that often affect international trade, especially for time-sensitive and high-value goods. In terms of custom efficiency, close coordination between custom authorities, airport operators, and logistic companies enables smoother and faster clearance processes. The centralized facilities support risk-based custom management, allowing low-risk shipments to be cleared more quickly. In addition, digital initiatives such as electronic documentation and data sharing further speed up cargo processing and reduce administrative workload. Overall, these improvements strengthen supply chain reliability and enhance Malaysia's competitiveness as a regional air cargo and trade gateway, in line with the World Trade Organization Trade Facilitation Agreement.
In this part, I will explain how Klia Aeropolis contributes to environmental sustainability and green transport through four key aspects. First is multimodal transport integration. Klia Aeropolis integrates air, road, and future rail transport by placing logistics, aviation, and commercial activities in one airport city. By positioning cargo and logistics operations at the center of the development, Klia Aeropolis functions as a major logistics hub for Malaysia. For example, cargo arriving at Klia can be processed, stored, and distributed directly at the airport instead of being transported to off-airport warehouses. This reduces long-haul road transport, which helps lower fuel consumption, traffic congestion, and carbon emissions. Second is smart transport and digital logistics. Klia Aeropolis adopts digital systems to improve operational efficiency and indirectly reduce environmental impact. A clear example is the Kenya Aeropolis EWTP hub, which uses digital customs clearance and automated cargo sorting. This system shortens cargo processing time, reduces aircraft ground time, and lower energy use in warehousing and refrigeration. Third is green infrastructure and facilities. Environmental sustainability is also embedded in the design and construction of buildings at KLIA Aeropolis. Facilities such as aircraft, maintenance, repair, overhaul centers, and logistics warehouses are designed using green building solutions. For example, they use solar energy, natural lighting, natural ventilation, and rainwater harvesting. These design features reduce electricity usage and operational carbon footprints without affecting safety or performance. The last one is sustainable economic and regional impact. KLIA Aeropolis supports sustainable economic growth by strengthening Malaysia's position as an Asian aviation and logistics hub. By improving air transport, infrastructure, and digital trade facilitation, it enables smoother regional trade flows and a more resilient supply chain. This shows that well-planned airport and logistic developments can deliver economic benefits while still supporting environmental sustainability. Next part is work ethics and professional values. First is professionalism and safety standards. Aviation and logistics are complex and safety-critical industries, so strict compliance with regulations is essential. At KLIA Aeropolis, professionalism is shown through adherence to international aviation and logistics standards, especially in aircraft maintenance and cargo handling. For example, MRO operators must comply with international safety certifications as well as the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia's continuing airworthiness regulations. All maintenance work must be carried out with accuracy, accountability, and technical competence. The second aspect is integrity and transparency. KLIA Aeropolis involves collaboration between government agencies, airport authorities, multinational companies, and logistics providers. To manage such a large-scale project, professionals are expected to act with integrity and transparency, include ethical contract management, clear decision-making, and accountability when adopting new technologies. These practices help build trust among stakeholders while ensuring regulatory compliance and protecting public interests. Next is responsible innovation. Professionals involved in KLIA Aeropolis are expected to adopt innovation rather than focusing only on speed or profit. Decisions to use automation, digital logistics systems, and energy-efficient technologies are made by balancing efficiency with safety, environmental impact, and long-term societal benefits. This ensures that innovation remains safe, effective, and socially responsible. Lastly is workforce development. KLIA Aeropolis also emphasizes ethical treatment of its workforce. The project creates employment opportunities in aviation, logistics, engineering, and technology, supported by training programs and safety awareness initiatives. By respecting labor standards and investing in human capital, KLIA Aeropolis promotes a professional work culture that supports both economic growth and social sustainability.
For recommendations, first, Malaysia should further enhance digital trade facilitation at KLIA Aeropolis by integrating advanced customs technologies such as pre-arrival processing, risk-based inspections, and real-time data sharing. This includes greater use of electronic documentation, single-window system, and automatic clearance processes in line with the WTO trade facilitation agreement to reduce cargo transit time and administrative delays. Next, sustainability should be a main focus in the development of KLIA Aeropolis. This can be achieved through the use of green building standards, energy efficient designs, renewable energy such as solar power, and wider adoption of electronic ground handling equipment. Smart energy management and digital logistic system can also help improve operational efficiency while reducing environmental impact. Lastly, Malaysia should continue strengthening strategic partnership with international airport operators, logistic companies, e-commerce platforms, and airlines. This collaboration can improve digital logistics capabilities, enhance trade connectivity, and position KLIA Aeropolis as an important gateway in regional and global value chains.
In conclusion, the Klia Aeropolis development represents a strategic national initiative that goes beyond the traditional function of an airport. It transformed Kuala Lumpur International Airport into an integrated aviation, logistic and economic ecosystem by bringing together air cargo operations, aerospace industries, digital trade platform and multimodal transport infrastructure. The project strengthens Malaysia's position within regional and global supply chain. The development supports sustainable economic growth by attracting foreign direct investment, creating high-value employment opportunities, and enhancing export-oriented and time-sensitive industries such as e-commerce, electronic, pharmaceuticals, and aerospace manufacturing. In terms of trade facilitation, Klia Aeropolis improve cargo handling efficiency and custom processes through digitalization, streamlined operation, and closer coordination among logistics stakeholders in line with international trade standards.